Hi friends, it's Miss Harwood again here for math. For today's lesson, we are going to be talking about adding and subtracting using a game that we've all played in school called How Many Now? Before we get started, I just want to let you know that the only material that you need today are your eagle eyes, all right? Because you're going to have to be watching to make sure that you are seeing how many counters are being added or subtracted from our How Many Now game, okay? With that being said, we are now going to do our learning target. Our learning target for today is I can add and subtract numbers within 10. Remember, we talked about how add means to join together and subtract means to take away. So if we're going to be doing any adding, that means we're going to join together today or put together. If we're going to do subtracting, it's going to be taking away. All right, we're going to just work with numbers within 10. So that just means within or between numbers 0 and 10. All right, that's our learning target for today. Now, we are going to get started on our activity called How Many Now? And remember, that involves having a plate and hiding counters underneath the plate. So you guys are going to have to keep those eagle eyes on this activity to make sure you're really paying attention, okay? So here we go. We're going to get started with our activity today.
Remember, in our How Many Now activity, we need something to hide our counters under. So I'm going to use this piece of paper in the shape of an oval. And we're also going to need counters. So I have some counters here that I'm going to use for this activity as well. All right? So, starting off, I'm going to place 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 counters underneath my paper, okay? So I'm going to hide 5 counters underneath this plate. So now, how many are under there? 5. Make sure that you're paying attention. We have 5 counters underneath. All right. I'm now going to add 2 more counters underneath. So I had 5 and I added 2 more. How many total am I going to have now underneath this plate? Think in your head. How many are going to be underneath this paper? All right, let's see. Are you ready? We're going to count it out. I added 2. We now have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We now have 7 counters. So that means 5 plus 2 equals 7. Good job. Now, I'm going to keep the 7 underneath the paper. But this time, I'm going to add 2 more counters underneath. So I had 7, and now I'm going to add 2 more. How many do you think are going to be underneath this paper now? So think about it. 7 were underneath, and I added 2 more. Think in your head, how many are we going to have now? Are you ready to see? All right, let's see if you got it. We had 7. Let's count. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now we have 9 counters. Amazing. All right, I'm going to keep these 9 counters underneath. So how many do I have underneath? 9. I have 9 counters underneath. I am now going to take away, and when I take away, What does that mean? Add or subtract? Subtract, that's right. I'm going to take away or subtract 3 from 9. So I'm going to take away 3. I had 9 and I took away 3. How many are going to be left? Think about it. I had 9 and I took 3 away. How many are going to be left? Put your answer in your head. All right, ready to count? Here we go. Let's see if you were right. We took away 3 from 9. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we have 6. So 9 take away 3 gives us 6. Good job. I'm going to keep that 6 underneath, okay? So now we have 6 under the plate. How many? 6. All right, I am now going to take 2 away. So I had 6. And if I take 2 away, how many am I going to have? I had 6 and I took 2 away. How many am I going to have? And remember, if this is too hard, you can use your hands and your fingers to help you figure it out. So if I had 6, put 6 fingers on your hands. And if I took 2 away, take 2 fingers away. 1, 2. I had 6 and I took 2 fingers away. How many are left? 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's see if that's how many counters are underneath this plate. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. There were 4 counters left. Did you see how I used my fingers to help me figure out that math problem? That's something that you can do as well. All right, now I'm going to keep 4 counters under my plate. Now I'm going to have 4 under my plate, and if I took 1 away, how many are going to be left? Remember, you can use your fingers to help you figure out this math problem. There was 4, and I took 1 away. How many are going to be left? I had 4 and I took 1 away. How many are left? You ready to see? Let's count. I have 1, 2, 3. I have 3 counters left. 4 take away 1, or 4 minus 1 equals 3. All right, last one. Are you ready? Okay, I have 3 counters underneath my paper. If I took 3 counters away, how many am I going to have left? I had 3 counters, and if I take 3 counters away from 3, how many am I going to have left? Think about it. Let's see. Let's use my fingers now. I have 3, and then I take away 3. 1, 2, 3. If I take away 3, how many am I going to have left? 0. I have none left. So 3 take away 3, I have 0 or none, because there's no fingers standing up and there's no counters.
That was a great job playing How Many Now with me. Thank you so much for joining me. Now you can do this game at home with a family member. All you need is paper and pencil or your whiteboard and your marker to help you play this game. And you can just pretend that you are using your own counters by drawing different amounts of circles on your board. So I just drew 5 circles. You could say, Dad, Mom, brother, sister. If I took away 2, how many am I going to have left? And you can just cross out that many circles. Okay? And then you have 1, 2, 3. You have 3 left over. So you guys don't even need counters for this. You guys can just play this game at home using your marker or a pencil and paper. Okay? So go ahead, get to it, do this activity with a family member, and then take a picture and send it to your teacher. We look forward to seeing it. Bye, good luck.